Okay, good morning again. Today we are going to continue with the next part of the comparisons. Okay, now we have comparatives where you are going to use them. For example, in this case, when you use one syllable adjective, use add to the adjective er. For example, tall, taller, short, shorter, new, newer. And here I have an example. John is taller than Kent. If you see, we are comparing between two people. We can compare between two things. Okay. So also you can use shorter. In this case, Ken is shorter than John. My book is newer than your book. Okay, here remember, if you had one syllable, as tall, short, and new, you have to add er to make the comparative. And here you have the example of the sentence. Okay, here is taller. Okay, taller than Kent. And also you can use is. John is taller than Kent. Okay, this is the structure for one syllable adjectives. And we have another form. Here we have two or more syllables. When you have you have two or more syllables, you have to use more before the adjective. For example, intelligent, and the comparative is going to be more intelligent. As an example, you can write Mary, for example. Mary is more intelligent than Susan. Okay, the comparative is here, more intelligent. Okay, we have more intelligent. We are going to underline it. Also, we have, okay, here is done. Sorry, is done. We are going to use done. And we are going to underline it too. Okay, if you see here, we use adjectives or we use comparatives with them. Okay. Okay, we are going to add another example for this one. We can use beautiful. Here, if you see, we have an adjective that has more syllables. For example, beautiful. Okay, it's an adjective with 3 syllables, and I am going to give you. We are going to form the comparative. It will be more beautiful. And the sentence that we have here as an example is Karen is more beautiful than Anne. Sorry. More beautiful than Anne. Oh, we are going to change the name. It's more beautiful than Susan. Okay. Karen is more beautiful than Susan. The comparative is here, more beautiful. And also we have than. Remember, when you make this kind of comparatives, you have to use than in both sentences. If the comparative is with one syllable, or if the comparative is with 2 or more syllables. Okay. Okay, that's all for today, and let's go to the practice now. Bye bye.